How to create a Twitter thread in Buffer. So first, ensure that your X or Twitter account is linked to your Buffer dashboard. After that, just select your Twitter account right here on the Channels tab. Then click on the plus new post option right here on the right side. And once you're here, you will see the option to start a thread just right here at the bottom right of the composer. And if you click on that and click on it again to basically add more, and as you can see, I have now created the thread just like that. And now what you want to do is just basically add the text or the content that you want. So I'm just going to type some random stuff right here. And once you're done adding your tweet, you just simply need to select on when to post your thread. So you could either select next available, prioritize, now, or set date and time. And once you're done selecting, you can now click on schedule post right here to basically create and post the thread. And that is how you basically create a Twitter thread in Buffer.